In this video, I'm going to show you how to take long screenshots on your Motorola mobile phone along with the settings and tools you get right after taking one. Make sure to follow the steps I'm about to show you carefully so you can avoid confusion or errors while trying this on your own phone. Now, there are different ways to take a screenshot on your Motorola mobile phone. I have already uploaded a separate video covering all those methods. You can check that later if you haven't yet. For now, let's take a look at how to capture a long screenshot. Simply press the volume down button and power button together at the same time. Once you do that, a pop-up will appear at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on the downward arrow icon to start capturing a long screenshot. If you want to stop at a particular point, just press the red color stop button. It's that simple. After that, tap on the screenshot preview to explore the editing options. And trust me, Motorola gives you a ton of built-in tools here, more than most of other phones I have seen. You can draw, crop, add text, highlight, blur, or even make shapes. Literally everything. You customize your screenshot the way you like. Once you explore all these tools, you will realize how beginner friendly they are. You don't need to be a tech expert to use them. Everything is simple, clear, and super useful. And that's it, guys. This is how you can take and customize long screenshots on your Motorola mobile phone easily. Don't forget to like and share this video so that we can reach more Motorola users like you. And of course, subscribe for more tips, tricks, and reviews on different gadgets right here on this channel.